Hello students. So today we are going to understand the things which is related with the adjective, okay? And basically in this what we are going to learn, we are going to understand the concept of degrees of adjective, okay? I have already made a video which was based on adjective, okay? Right now what we have to discuss, the different words related with adjective and how we can use it as a positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. I have already discussed the exercise based on it, but today in this video lecture what we are going to do, we are going to discuss some words, okay, which will help you to, you can say, convert it into comparative degree and superlative degree, okay? So let me give you a quick reminder that what do you mean by adjectives. So adjectives are the, you can say, describing word which describes or which will which tell us more about noun, okay? So it tells more about that what the noun is all about. If I am going to say that I have a blue pencil, so pencil is a noun and blue is the color. So blue is the what? Blue is an adjective, okay? So it here I will able to know more about noun. That means basically adjective tell us more about noun. So I will be able to understand that the pencil, okay, that it specify the noun. That means it will tell us that the color of the pencil is blue. So this is adjective. Fine. Now the things that we have to understand is that we're having, I have already given you that PDF also, okay, so that I am going to discuss. So whenever we are dealing with degrees of comparison, okay, in adjective, we're having three heads, okay, positive, comparative and superlative. So in positive degree, whenever the things which is given to us as it is, we will discuss, okay? But when we are doing with comparative degree means comparison between two, okay? And superlative degree, so superlative degree means it is the best, okay, to best, the best, okay? When we are talking about maybe that person or the thing will be best in the class, maybe school, maybe world, maybe universe, maybe anything, okay? So superlative, super means best, okay? So let's discuss the things, words, okay? Suppose if I'm going to give you the word tall, okay? Tall is a positive degree. So what will be the comparative and superlative degree? Tall, taller. Remember the spelling, TALLER, taller, tallest, 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 okay? Sometimes what happen, see, maybe instead of giving positive degree, I may give you comparative degree or superlative degree, but what you have to do, you have to find out the word and according to that you have to use positive degree and comparative degree, okay? Let's do few examples, then we will discuss more about that, okay? Now suppose the word is strong. Strong is a positive degree, okay? Positive degree. So what will be the comparative degree? Comparative degree will be stronger, STRONGER, stronger. And the superlative degree will be strongest, STRONGEST, strongest. Fine. See, one more thing, whenever we are dealing with comparative degree, you'll always find ER at the end, always, okay? And in superlative degree you'll always find EST, okay? So in comparative degree ER, like stronger, GER, ER, okay? In superlative degree EST, est, okay? So now let's get started with the other word, okay? The word is thick. Then thick is a positive degree, okay? So the comparative degree and superlative will be thick, thicker, thickest. Thick, 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 thicker, THICKER, thicker. And the comparative degree, sorry, superlative degree will be thickest, THICKEST, thickest. I hope up to here it is clear to you all, okay? Now see, sometimes what happen, there are so many words which we have to use it double time, okay? Like thin, okay? So thin is a positive degree. So if I'm going to convert it into comparative degree and superlative degree, how I have to do? I have to repeat the last word, okay? Thin, thinner, thinnest. See how I'm going to write. Thin, the spelling is THIN, thin. thinner, 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 thinnest, THINNEST, thinnest. Fine. Now let's take few more example. Okay, okay, big. So big is a positive degree. Remember that without adding er or est, the word will be, you can say, positive degree. That means talking about one. Okay, in a simple way. So the word is big. What will be the comparative degree and superlative degree? Big, bigger, biggest. Okay, spelling big, big, bigger, BIGGER. Again I am repeating the last word, BIGGER, bigger, biggest, BIGGEST, biggest. Okay. Now the next word that I can take will be, okay, wait. Okay, so the next word will be, you can say, okay, dim. Okay, dim is the positive degree. So if I am going to convert it into comparative degree and superlative degree, firstly pronounce it. Dim, dimmer, dimmest. Dim, 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 dimmer, 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 dimmest, DIMMEST, dimmest. Fine. So next word, hot, HOT, hot. Then the word will be hotter, 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 hottest, HOTTEST, hottest. Okay, I hope up to here it is clear. Now suppose instead of giving the positive degree, if I am going to give you the superlative degree, then how to identify it? Suppose I am having one word, okay, highest, highest. That means highest is a superlative word, right? HIGEST, highest. Then how you are going to identify? This is so simple, because in superlative degree we have to add EST, so remove EST. So what will be the positive degree? High, high, higher, highest. Simple. HIGHT, high, HIGER, higher, and highest is already given. So the question may be like, sometimes they will give you positive degree, sometimes comparative degree, sometimes superlative degree. You have to find the rest of the two. Okay, one more example that we can take it, softer. Okay, so softer is which type of you can say degrees of comparison? ER is there, na? So ER will be a comparative degree. So SOFTER, softer. So we have to find the positive degree, that means this side, and the superlative degree, that side. Okay, so softer, that means soft, softer, softest. Simple. SOFT, soft, SOFTER, softer, it is already given, and softest, SOFTEST, softest. I hope this is clear to you all. Okay, now moving to the next thing, that there are certain words which ends with Y. So if it ends with Y, then what we have to do? We have to only do a little bit modification. Okay, see how. Like happy, HAPPY. Now how I am going to write? I have to do something. I cannot write HAPPYER, HAPPYEST. No, I cannot. So for writing that, I have to remove something and add something. Okay, ER will be there, no doubt, and even EST will be there, but apart from that, one more word will be there. See, happy, happier, happiest. That means suppose if you find any word which ends with Y, like happy, HAPPY, what we have to do in comparative degree and superlative, you have to remove Y, and in place of Y, what you have to add? IER, ear. Okay, happier, HAPPIER, happier. That means remove Y and add IER. In comparative degree, ER will be there, but apart from that, you have to add I more, IER, happier. Okay, now in the third, then the superlative degree, what will be the answer? Happiest, HAPPIEST, happiest. See, okay, IEST, only I have added, rest the things are the same. ER is there, okay, even EST is there, but with I. Okay, IER, happier, happiest, HAPPIEST, happiest. Fine. Let's take some more example like heavy. Okay, heavy is a positive degree. Now comparative degree and superlative. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Again y is there, so remove y. That means don't cut it. I'm just trying to make you understand that how to write heavy. Then comparative degree will be heavier, HEAVIER, heavier. Then in superlative degree, heaviest, HEAVIEST, heaviest. Fine. Now one more word, easy. Easy, EASY, easy. Easy will become in comparative degree easier, EASIER, easier. And in superlative degree, easiest, EASIEST, easiest. This is so simple. Earlier what we have done, earlier we have gone through the words in which we don't have to repeat the same thing, like tall, T-A-double tall, taller, tallest. Okay, then strong, strongest, strongest. Like after that we have we came across some words in which we have to double the words, like thin, thinner, double N, bad, badder, also BADDER, badder, baddest. Okay, there are some words like this. Okay, then if we can do, okay, sorry, not bad. For doubling the words, we are having you can say that fat, fatter, fattest. That means FATTER, then fattest, FATTEST, fattest. Okay, now slim, slimmer, that means doubling the word, SLIM, that means only the last word, slim, slimmer, slimmest. Okay, now after that we have came across the words like this which ends with Y, and in place of that what we have to do, we have to remove it. Okay, and after removing that Y, we have to add IER for comparative degree and IEST for superlative degree, like heavy, heavier, heaviest. Okay, dry, drier, driest. Okay, then lovely, lovelier, lovelier, loveliest. LOVELY, lovely is the word. Now loveliest, lovelier, 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 and loveliest, LOVELIEST. Okay, now merry, merrier, merriest, MERRY, merry, merrier, 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 and merriest, MERRIEST, merriest. Okay, wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest, wealthy, 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 wealthier, WEALTHIER. That means only you have to remove Y, and at the end of the word add IER. Okay, and IEST for those word which ends with Y. Remember that. Okay, but you know, there are so many words which remain, which we have to change totally. See what we have done: tall, taller, tallest, small, smallest, smallest. But there are so many words which we have to change totally, like suppose good, I cannot say good, gooder, goodest. No, we're having good, better, best. Okay, good, better, best. Okay, now there are so many words, like if I can correlate. Okay, now suppose positive degree. Okay, positive degree is bad. Okay, this the things which I am right now discussing, we call it as an irregular verb. Okay, that means in which everything is totally different. Okay, like good, better, best. For bad, what we will say? Bad, worse, WORST, worse, and worst, WORST, worst. Okay, now the next thing, good, better, best, I told you. Okay, now suppose little, LITTLE, little. For little, what we can use? We can use lesser, least, LESSER, lesser, and LEAST, least. Okay, now coming to some more adjectives, word in which we don't have to add ER or EST. Okay, for that we have to add more and most. More for comparative degree and most for superlative degree. This you have to remember. Fine. See, can I say beautiful, beautifuler, beautifulest? Can I say? No, not at all. For that I have to use some other words, okay, because there is no word in English which will convey you like this: beautiful, beautifuler, beautifulest. No, not at all. For that we have to use more beautiful. See, beautiful is a positive degree. For comparative degree we have to use more beautiful, and for superlative degree we have to use most beautiful. Okay, now again the next word, useful. Can I use, say, useful, usefuler, usefulest? Can I? No, not at all. We don't have this type of word in our English, okay, in English language. So what we have to use, useful is the positive degree, more useful, most useful. Useful, more useful for comparative degree, and most useful for superlative degree. Okay, now again next word, difficult. Can I say difficult, difficulter, difficultest? No, we cannot. Okay, for that again we have to use, difficult is the positive degree, more difficult, most difficult. Fine. Now next word, honest. Can I say honest, honester, honestest? Have you heard some word like this? No, we don't. I have not. Okay, even you have not also. Okay, for that what we have to do, we have to again add more and most to it. Okay, so honest will be the positive degree, then more honest, then most honest. Fine. Now next word, powerful. Okay, can I say powerful, powerfuler, powerfulest? Have you heard some word like this? No. Okay, for that again we have to use powerful, positive degree, more powerful, most powerful. Okay, there are so many words. I have already given you the words. Okay, I hope you have gone through it. Okay, and see, don't get confused with that every time you have to add more. No, not at all. Only we are adding more to those words, okay, which we cannot write in the form of er and est. I can write tall, taller, tallest easily. Okay, we are having, but I cannot write beautiful, beautiful, or beautifulest. No. Okay, so don't get confused with the things. Only you have to remember the things, and spelling is the most important that you should remember. Okay, I have already given a list of words to you. Okay, please try to learn. Okay, and I hope everything will get clear to you all. Okay, and we have already discussed the things which is on page number 75. Okay, that means I part and J part. Okay, see, one thing I would like to discuss. See, the question is that we have to add er or est. Okay, so whenever we are dealing with, I told you that whenever we are talking about one, so for that we have to use positive degree. When we are talking about two, that means comparison is being done, we have to use er, that means comparative degree. And whenever we are talking about the best, we have to use est, that means the superlative degree. See, what two questions I will discuss with you. Neha is dash than Kavita. Comparison is there, and in option we are having young. So what we have to do, if we are having the comparison here, then we have to use er, that means we have to add er with the given word. So young, younger. So Neha is younger than Kavita. Okay, now next thing, next question. I find Kasauli the dash of all places, or it is talking about the all places, and the option that I am having is school. If it is talking about all places, that means best. Okay, totally superlative degree. So I find Kasauli to be the Kasauli the coolest, COOLEST, coolest of all places. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you all. And for tall, for positive degree, see, Sandhya is a tall girl, talking about one, so we can easily use it as a positive degree. So I hope this is clear to you all, and you will be able to solve exercise based on it. So please go through it. It is on if you wanted to go deep, if you wanted to study line by line, so it is on page number 74 and 75. I have already discussed with you all, so you can go through it. Okay, and please watch the video, and the things which I have given you, that means that the PDF of adjectives, that means degrees of comparison, please go through it. Fine, thank you so much.